a stay-at-home mom, or you're a student, or you are looking for a business that you can actually do from your house, especially if you live in a very busy place, then this business is for you. So this business is one of the oldest business and is actually a lucrative one, and there are so many people already doing it, but that does not mean that if you go into this business that you wouldn't do well. And this business is no other than snacks business. See, calm down. I know that yes, you see snacks showcases here and there, right? But do you know that this snacks business is very lucrative? And that is why you see every corner, every nook and cranny, you see snacks showcases here and there. This is one business that you can do if you're a stay-at-home mom, you live in a place that is busy, and you at least you have a space in front of your house that you can just drop a showcase there. This is something that you can do. That is if you are not living in your own house. But if you are living in your own house, I'll advise that you create a little talk shop called your snack bar. Do you get? You see, you're going to make all kinds of snacks. If you take it very seriously, with time it's going to grow. I know of a bakery house then we used to call Oceanic Bakery in Abuja back then. There's not kind of snacks, there's no kind of pastries that you would see in Oceanic Bakery. Do you get? So it's something like this. So if you take it very serious, especially if you live in your own house, you can carve out a place and you call it your pastry stop or your snacks bar, any beautiful name you have. And with time you're going to be known for this. Aside the fact that you'll be selling to people, you also get contracts to do for events, you know, for ceremonies and all. Do you get? So pastry business low-key is making people that are very intentional about it a lot of money. And this time around, with how things are going, pastry is even in high demand, because pastry is one thing that if you eat it and drink water, it will keep you going. That is why pastry business or snack business will always bloom. So for those of us that already know how to bake, I would advise that you seriously consider this business, especially if you're looking for something to do either for a full gig or a side income. Then you can actually go into this. Then for those of us that do not know how to bake, learning pastry is not so difficult. You can actually learn it, and the reason why I asked you to learn it is so that you'll be able to bake varieties of pastries. Do you get? You have different type of snacks in your talk shop. Do you get? So that is why if you haven't learned it yet and you're really looking for something that you can do, then I'll advise that you learn how to make pastries. There are different type of pastries, and if you're so good in pastry making, you'll be getting a lot of contracts. And yes, this business can be done by male or female. It's not a gender-based business. It's a business that whether you're a man or a woman, you can actually do it as well. Yes, you can just start with a showcase. Do you understand? You necessarily do not need to hawk it. Just target a very busy area and mount your showcase there. This business is one of the businesses that have been there and will continue to be there, and it's a simple business to start, and it's a business that you can start with low capital, because with low capital you can just concentrate on a particular snacks, maybe sausage roll or egg roll or meat pie, fish pie, even pop-off. You can be known for a very delicious pop-off, milky pop-off. If you're in a city like Lagos, I'm sure you must have seen some guys frying pop-off and other things along the road with their umbrellas and gas by the side and all of that. Do you get? And do you see the number of customers these guys attend to at a time? The traffic there is mad. Do you understand? So this is something that you can actually start in front of your house, in your street, or busy area. Do you get? So guys, like I said, this is one business that you can actually start, and it can be done by anybody. So guys, that is it for this video. See you in my next. Bye.